Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cam Learning English. Today I have this exercise for you to practice about how to use will and be going to. But it is not a full lesson because the lesson about how to use will and be going to you studied for the previous lesson or previous video, right? Now let's start for the exercise and you have to decide which one is which one use will and which one have to use with be going to, right? Now let's start. Okay, so sorry អ្នកនរគ្នាឡើយនេះសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ Channel Cam Learning English បាទថ្ងៃនេះគឺយើងមានលំហាត់ដើម្បីអនុវត្តគឺជាការប្រើប្រាស់ will ហើយនិង be going to ណាអញ្ចឹងមុននឹងចូលលំហាត់បើយ៉ាងតែម្ដងមេថាយើងសូមរំលឹកបន្តិចបាទដើម្បីជាការនឹកឃើញនៅមេរៀនឬក៏អ្វីៗដែលយើងធ្លាប់រៀនកាលពីវីដេអូមុនណាពាក់ព័ន្ធនឹងការប្រើ will ហើយនិង be going to នេះ Okay អញ្ចឹងយើងមើលទាំងអស់គ្នាតែម្ដង Okay will yeah how to use will yeah the following how to use will in here everyone okay will to make a decision that are made at the time of speaking បាទ will ចំណុចទី1គឺធ្វើការសម្រេចចិត្តដែលធ្វើឡើងនៅក្នុងកំឡុងពេលដែលយើងនិយាយអញ្ចឹងន័យថាយើងសម្រេចចិត្តយើងគិតភ្លាមយើងធ្វើភ្លាមតែម្ដងនៅក្នុងសកម្មភាពទី1 Okay ទី2 Okay to state a fact about the future បាទដើម្បីបង្ហាញអំពីព្រឹត្តិការណ៍ឬក៏រឿងរ៉ាវពិតមួយអំពីអនាគតបាទអញ្ចឹងកាលណាយើងប្រើវាដើម្បីបង្ហាញអំពីស្ថានភាពឬក៏អ្វីមួយដែលពិតបាទនៅក្នុងពេលអនាគតក៏យើងប្រើ will ដែរនៅក្នុងចំណុចទី2ណា Okay so the next to make a promise yeah to make a promise មានថាដើម្បីសន្យាដូចជាយើងសន្យានឹងធ្វើអីមួយអញ្ចឹងណាដូចជា I will I promise I will yeah I'll take you to school every day yeah so for example right to make a promise and to yeah the next to make a prediction with words like I think I guess I hope probably possibly yeah ចឹងចំណុចចុងក្រោយនេះគឺថាដើម្បីធ្វើការអានេះជាចំណុច2ផ្សេងគ្នាណា ultimate prediction បាទមានន័យថាធ្វើការទស្សន៍ទាយឬក៏សន្និដ្ឋានបាទសន្និដ្ឋាន with words like បាទជាមួយនឹងពាក្យមួយចំនួនដូចជាយើងអាចភ្ជាប់ជាមួយនឹង clear ដូចជា I think ខ្ញុំគិតថា I guess yeah I guess ឲ្យស្មើនឹង I think ដែរណា Okay I hope ខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថា probably យ៉ាងមកជាប្រហែលជាឬក៏ possibly បាទ possibly មានថាប្រហែលជាឬក៏អាចទៅរួចណាអ្វីមួយបង្ហាញអំពីស្ថានភាពអនាគតដូចគ្នាបាទអញ្ចឹងឲ្យទៅឃើញ clear ទាំងអស់នេះគឺស្ថិតនៅក្នុងការប្រើប្រាស់ will អត់ប្រើនៅក្នុងជាមួយនឹង be going to ទេ Okay អញ្ចឹងឥឡូវយើងចូលដល់ទម្រង់ be going to ណា how to use be going to a future event that has been planned before the time of speaking បាទអញ្ចឹងចំណុចទី1ការប្រើប្រាស់ be going to មានន័យថាគឺជាព្រឹត្តិការណ៍ឬក៏សកម្មភាពអនាគតមួយដែលមានគម្រោងណាមានថាដែលត្រូវបានគេឬក៏ដែលត្រូវបានគេរៀបចំជាគម្រោងមុនពេលហ្នឹងយើងនិយាយមានន័យថាវាផ្ទុយនឹងការប្រើប្រាស់ will បាញ់ណាអញ្ចឹង will មានន័យថាយើងសម្រាប់ចិត្តភ្លាមយើងត្រូវធ្វើអ្វីមួយនៅក្នុងកំឡុងពេលយើងនិយាយតែម្ដងតែបើសិនជាការប្រាប់ be going to គឺស្ថានភាពមួយដែលយើងបានរៀបចំទុករួចជាស្រេចហើយបាទមុននឹងយើងនេះនិយាយបាទនិយាយទៅថាវាមានលក្ខណៈជា plan ណាជាគម្រោង Okay to make a future prediction based on facts or evidence បាទអញ្ចឹងចំណុចទី2ការប្រាប់ be going to នោះក៏យើងប្រើវាដើម្បីបង្ហាញអំពីការទស្សន៍ទាយអ្វីមួយដែលកើតឡើងនៅពេលអនាគតបានដូចគ្នាបាទដោយផ្អែកទៅលើបាទរឿងរ៉ាវពិតសកម្មភាពពិតឬក៏លក្ខណៈជា evidence ណាអ្វីមួយដែលមានភស្តុតាងបាទអញ្ចឹងការប្រើប្រាស់ be going to ហើយនឹង will ប្រើដើម្បីបង្ហាញអំពីការទស្សន៍ទាយនៅក្នុងពេលអនាគតបានដូចគ្នាប៉ុន្តែកាលណាយើងប្រើ will ទស្សន៍ទាយដោយអ្វីមួយ អត់ច្បាស់លាស់ទេបាទមានផតតាអត់មានអីទេតែបើសិនកាលណាយើងប្រើទំនង be going to នៅក្នុងស្ថានភាពមួយដែលជាការទុទាយនឹងអ្វីមួយដែលនឹងកើតឡើងក្នុងពេលអនាគតប៉ុន្តែវាបង្ហាញអំពីស្ថានភាពមួយច្បាស់លាស់ដែលមានជាគម្រោងណាអូខេអញ្ចឹងចំណុចទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងគឺវាមានលក្ខណៈដូចនិងវាមានលក្ខណៈខុសបាទខ្ញុំបានបញ្យល់ឲ្យនៅក្នុងចំណុចនីមួយៗOkay, now the first time let's start for the exercise បាទដូច្នេះគឺយើងអាចចាប់ផ្ដើមនៅលំហាត់របស់យើងតែម្ដងណា Okay, fill in the blanks with the words into brackets using will or be going to Okay អញ្ចឹង introduction ណាពាក់ព័ន្ធនឹងការណែនាំនៅក្នុងលំហាត់របស់យើងនេះក៏យើងបំពេញនៅចន្លោះបាទជាមួយនឹងពាក្យផ្សេងៗបាទដែលជាក្រាស័ព្ទឬក៏ផ្សេងៗហ្នឹងឲ្យបានត្រឹមត្រូវនៅក្នុងរង្វង់កញ្ចក់ដោយការប្រើប្រាស់ទម្រង់ will ឬក៏ be going to បាទអញ្ចឹងមានន័យថាក្រាស័ព្ទគឺគេឲ្យមកនៅក្នុងរង្វង់កញ្ចក់ស្រាប់ហើយអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវសម្រេចចិត្តណាតើយើងត្រូវប្រើ will or be going to right Okay so you have to consider about in each sentence which is which sentence that can be used with future plain or we can say be going to and which sentence can use with will okay now let's start for the exercise everyone okay so let's go to number 1 my brother be 45 in October okay so you have to consider be going to or will my brother will right okay will be so infinitive be right okay the verb be my brother will be 45 in October number 2 the phone is ringing and I'm in a shower don't worry Mark I'll for you so the verb answer so everyone I will right okay I will answer for you okay and now let's go to number 3 James John probably become the next president okay so about here you can see right mean the verb the adverb probably used with will or be going to right okay so James Jones will right okay will probably okay will probably become the next president wow it is too big okay and number 4 mom is unemployed but she not apply for that job because it isn't well paid okay so mom is unemployed but she what is it she isn't right she isn't going to apply okay she isn't again but she isn't going to apply okay apply for the job because it isn't well paid okay and now let's go to the next number 5 I'm so excited we the verb move to a bigger house this month again I'm so excited we what is it number 5 everyone we are going to move right so you can see this month so plan right okay we can say the future plan okay be going to and number 6 my parents the verb be very proud I have passed all the exam right so is be going to or will everyone number 6 will right Okay, my parents will be very proud. Okay. Number 7, I think my sister, yeah, the verb passed the exam. She has studied very hard so far. Okay. I think my sister. So number 7. Do you remember if it's begin by saying I think will be going to everyone? Yeah. Okay. Saying mean just read will, right? You're not clear. Yeah. Will pass. Okay. Yeah, I think my sister will pass the exam. She has studied very hard so far. Okay. Number 8, I get the verb take the kids to the mountains this winter. Okay. Number 8, yeah, what's it? I am, right? Plan, right? I am going to tax. Okay. And number 9, there isn't any milk left in the fridge. I know I do the shopping this afternoon. So it is the maid, yeah, they made the decision at the moment of speaking or plan, everyone, about in this conversation. Okay. I know I am, right? That one is that one know, yeah, has know about something clearly about in his or her house, right? I know I am going to do, right? To do the shopping this afternoon. Okay, plain. Number 10, there isn't any milk left in the fridge. Oh, sorry. Yeah, the one is, the one, no, that's a no, everyone. If no, plain, just with be going to, but don't know about that, so just with will, right? Oh, sorry, what's it, everyone? Number 10, I will, right? Okay, I will give, yeah, some juice instead. Okay. Number 11, look at the clouds. It's, yeah, the verb rain. Yeah, you should take the umbrella. Okay. So number 11, yeah, it is going to rain. Okay, you can see about it's raining outside, right? Number 12, yeah, there's a knock at the door. That the postman should verb be. Okay, number 12, yeah, that will be. Okay, it will be. And number 13, boys. Yeah, be boys. Yeah. So what is it? Number 13. Yeah, boys will, right? Will be boys. Okay. And number 14, when the cat is away, the mice play. Yeah. So which one? What can you use about this, everyone? When the cat is away, the mice, yeah, the mice will play. Okay, mice will play. And number 15, everyone. Number 15. I'm not feeling well. I faint. So what can you use? Number 15, everyone. I'm not feeling well. I am going to faint. Okay. And number 16, yeah, it's 11 o'clock p.m. I think the verb go to bed. Okay. So I think, right? I think I will, right? Yeah, will go. Yeah, we'll go to bed now. Number 17, she meet them at 6 o'clock p.m. Yeah, at 6 o'clock p.m. So she is going to meet, right? Okay, she's going to meet them at 6 o'clock p.m. Number 18, that be the book you are looking for. Okay, so that will be, right? That will be. Okay, so number 19, there's be the girl. Okay, so will or be going to everyone? Yeah, there is going to be the girl. Okay, and the last one, number 20. Yeah, Sally is a big girl now. We, yeah, the verb buy her a scooter. Okay, Sally is a big girl now. We will, right? We will buy, yeah, buy her the scooter. Okay, so this all are for this exercise, everyone. Yeah, about how to use and the exercise, and you have to consider which one used with will and which one used with be going to. Okay, that's all, everyone, for exercise. Goodbye, see you in the next video.